Gracie is upset that Dwayne has not come out to clear her name. She called on him to come out and clear her name, and she would have given him her audience so they would listen. It is an ongoing saga, and I hope that they'll be able to get some resolution to this.
Same free at the woman drop out in belly. You afraid the woman drop out the belly? Alright. Me I give time to come clear up my name. Because if you not clear it, Dwayne, all the way you didn't think, I know you're going to say Gracie wicked. I know you are going to say Gracie wicked. Coming out with but nothing. Me know you not nothing for me now. But me get a lot for you. Me I wait for you. Me I wait for you if you can tell the people them say you get the money. Me I wait for you if you can tell the people them say Gracie never involved us in a money argument. I am waiting on you. Unless Ella go block loose for you. Me not pay attention to nobody else who I talk today. Anybody else attack me not pay attention. They could have post picture this, that, and not paying attention. And you may I deal with. Because you are the center of the drama and the mix-up and the problem. So if you me dealing with Mr. Dwayne Fletcher, come and let the people them know says you will get the woman money. Gracie never get the money from the woman, so the woman should have never call my name with scamming argument. Come and clear my name, clear up the part that Dwayne Fletcher. Because when time you don't take the woman money, you never call Gracie. And say Gracie, the woman did not take did give me money. So why now when the money problem now, and Gracie name this little dirty ER donkey, she have my name all over the place and scatter like me take money from her. You make Miss ER donkey from out of nowhere come with my name walk up, come talk about me scam and me this and me thief and me that. You and her bring all the receipt, them come show to me, we take $1 from her. And then me shut my mouth for you. Bring the receipt, them come dirty lady. If I even in your shop, you give me the money. You have camera in your shop. You want me to show my green card? Anytime you bring your receipt, them come and show my green card. Anytime you bring your receipt, them to the forefront, come show me say, Gracie thief your money. Me bring my green card come. Me bring my green card come dash it out show you. The way me give you time to come.
Me I beg enough to subscribe now, share, like, and comment on the video.
And it's like you're afraid of the woman. The people have said to you, send back the money. Why should I say talk it through the penny off? I have a plan for those give little. But you don't have the money, the amount of money if you send back one time, you don't have that one time. But when you get your little government check from a month time, you can give Salone or a little something outside. Talk the truth, you spend out one money. And you get Gracie name in a scamming argument and mix up. You make people that drag my name all over the internet for scamming. Oh, you did? Why you do it? And you sit down in your chair England, well cozy and easy. And Gracie name I drag all over the place and I never take the money from that lady. I never even knew.